Okay, what's up guys? So it's your guy Shapiro Said, and guys, in today's video I'm going to do the breakdown of the trade I took in my VIP group today. Now you can see I did a video yesterday and I told you the money we make in today. Now you can see today's day. Today is what 8th, it is Tuesday. So let me show you the trade I took today. Let's go. Now this is my VIP group real quick. So this is my VIP group and let's go to where we start from today. Actually I wake up very early today. Okay, I wake up around exactly 3 o'clock today to just analyze the market. So you can see that I posted good morning around 3:40. Those of you in Ghana here, you can know 3:40 very midnight. Okay, so now I posted the first signal 4:21. You can see this is my first signal and we printed. Yeah, we make some good profits from it. I think we closed it around let me check real quick. Let me check real quick. I think here we are still in the trade. Yeah, so let me check where we close it. Okay, so I think we close it around 100 pips. Yeah, exactly. You can see it here. We close around 100 pips exactly done. 100 pips done, and I told them to close it here. So you can see today we make a massive profit from this JPY today. Nice. Now my second signal was actually free. I did it a free signal, so I posted a free signal in my free group. That's why I said those of you don't have any money to join my pay group, you can also come and join my free group because I drop free signal. So I told them free signal and boom, I dropped the signal gold, and gold also hit the TP. Okay, I calculate about 60 pips and gold hit the TP nicely, and we also make some good profits here. Okay, I think I closed good here. Yeah, we make some 4,000 profits here. So nice profit on gold. It's a nice profit on gold. And my next signal is actually in a VIP group. So this is my next signal. This is my next signal here. We are just doing a scalping and we make some profits and small. I think we make about 1,000 trades profits from inside. I told them to close it because it's just a small scalp, a small entry. And my next signal was actually oil. Okay, we traded oil right now. We are still in a trade. And you can see I posted a signal 225 and actually exactly 227. 2 minutes later, we have a massive push in the market. We make about 12,000 Ghana cedis, as you can see on the screen. And you can see everybody is happy. We are making money. I even set down the setup. Okay, so this is the reason why you should join my VIP group, because I'm always active, releasing signal back to back, telling you guys what to do, what not to do, and what you need to know about trading. So in case you are somebody up there, you want signal, you want a place that we get quality signals and we make money from it, then I recommend you can join my VIP group. In case you want to learn from me, you want to know my strategy that I use to make all this kind of money, you can also join. I also have a mentorship group. Just DM me to join my mentorship group and you learn from me exactly how I do and how I enter the market. So guys, this is today. So I can boldly say that let's just do some small calculation here. Let's say today we are able to make, I think we are still in this trade. Actually we are still in this trade, so I'm not coming to, but let's just add it. So we have 12,000 here and we have the next signal. This one we have about, let's just make it 1,000 series for this signal. Okay, so let's just make it 13,000 and yeah, in the morning signal we saw maybe 13,000, so let's make it about 26,000 before the first signal I release on gold. Okay, for the first signal I release on gold, let's just check it right quick. Good. Okay, about 4,000. So let's assume I make about 30,000, bro. 30,000 Ghana cedis today, just in the trading market. That's in the Forex. So I would say today is one of my best day trading Forex. Okay, because I made a huge profit, and we are still in the trade. I'm trading with my laptop. That's why I can't show you the trade. I'm trading with my laptop right now. So just join the VIP group and you can see everything. Active people are trading, making money. So join us right now.